Yo, what's good, YouTube? I'm back, and I'm trying a new little filming setup. I usually shoot all my videos in 24 frames a second. This one, I think it's at 50. It's different quality. I'm just trying it out, so let me know how you like it. But I'm back with some more clothes. You know I love Represent, so it's kind of like my favorite brand. I got some pieces here I want to review for you guys because I got a lot to say. I got a lot to say about sizing. We're gonna get into it. I got the receipt right here. I actually bought 4 items. I bought a pair of socks, but I wore them, so whatever. But a lot of this stuff came from a sale that they had. They had like a vault sale that I think like member exclusive access type of thing. Let me just say this. When it comes to shipping, they ship with DHL. I got this so fast. It says 4 days delivery. It's probably like 3. Maybe it was 4. It just felt like 3. Shout out DHL. DHL, the good guys over at DHL. But yeah, so I copped a couple things from the vault, and I also got a sweater from their blanks collection. They have like a few items of just like plain regular stuff that I love plain stuff. I don't really like logos all that much. Like, this is one of my favorite sweaters. This is a Nike Essential sweater from Nike Lab. Fits so nice. It's my favorite sweater. I got this one and the black one. But I'm going to get right into the pants that I got. So these ones are called, get the official name, these are called the Nylon Detachable Pocket Pant in the charcoal gray colorway. Now, I am 5'11", I weigh about 160-ish, and I'm black, so you know black people's bodies are built a little different. But I wear a size large in their pants, and let me tell you about these pants right here. These pants, bro, this is how you do a pair of pants right here. So the quality is incredible. I love their strings. Their strings, not only do they look cool, but I feel like they're more efficient than regular strings to me. I love them. Now, Represent has a lot of those cargo pants with the big pockets. I'm actually wearing a pair right now. You can't really see it, but the cool thing about these pants is they give you the option to take them off. Like, it's dead detachable. You can just take it off and wear it regular. Like, I love options. Give me options, or give me options. Just give me options. Here's the little pocket. It's a pretty good pocket, decent size. Got a little zipper in the front, a little R right here. Let's see if it can focus in. Maybe not. All right, well, you can kind of see it. Yeah, it's right there. But yo, love these pants. These pants fit fantastically. I forgot to mention that these pants have this cool little cuffing system. It's not really a string like their other cargos. It's this Velcro strap right here. You just kind of like pull it over and it adjusts to your ankle. It's pretty dope. Now these pants I bought, and I don't really wear jeans that often, but I was like, you know what? Let me take a shot in the dark and get a pair of jeans. It's been a minute since I had some denim, and I miss the feel of denim. Denim just smells good, feels great. I got a size 34 in these because I think my waist is a 34. Last time I wore jeans, I was a 32, and I believe I even had some Represent jeans in the 32. Those fit fine, but I gained a little weight since then, so I figured, let me get a 34. Got the 34. 34 fits too small. So if you're like my kind of size, 5'11", 160-ish, black, maybe consider 36. I don't know if these specific jeans run small. Official name. These are the Essential Denim Pale Blue. This is from their Fall Winter 20 collection. So I don't know if these specific jeans run small or what it is, but they don't really fit me. They fit enough for me to wear them if I like sag them a little bit. I'm gonna show you obviously like me wearing them, but yeah, I kind of wish that they fit me better. And I don't know if I can exchange them at this point because that sale's kind of over, so I might be stuck with these. I don't know. Maybe I'll give them away to one of y'all. But I really do like the way that these pants look. They're like plain, but they got the little pale on the blue. I guess that's why they call them pale blue. I do like the pants. They just don't fit me, unfortunately. But it's all good. Moving on, I got this sweater from their Blanks collection, like I said. Here's a little tag right here. Hopefully the camera will focus in. And almost, there it is, boom. It's a plain sweater. The collar's a little thick though, but I like it. So with this sweater, I actually seen someone on YouTube review it, and they were also 5'11". I wish I remembered the name of their channel, because I would have like put a shout out or linked them or whatever. I don't remember the name of the channel. But he said he got this in an extra large, and he actually had another hoodie that I have from Represent in a size large. So I was like, he's probably the same size as me. Let me listen to him and get an extra large. Good thing I did, because this feels great. It's a little baggy, but it's okay because I like baggy. Baggy is the new skinny. I was never really a skinny sweater type of guy. I used to do the skinny jeans, but when it comes to sweaters, I always liked the oversized sweater look, and this sweater does the job good. It was a little pricey, I will say. Like, it was $154 for the sweater alone. So I don't know, like, if you are trying to shop for something a little bit more affordable, you could go to like a fast fashion retailer like H&M or Zara or, you know, whatever, something like that, and probably find a sweater like this for a better price that fits similarly. But for me, I just wanted to get something that I like. I feel like the quality might last me longer than those fast fashion places, but it's cheaper, so you can always buy another one for like 20 bucks. But I do like it a lot. I'm probably gonna put clips in here of me trying everything on, but that's pretty much it. Other than the jeans that didn't fit, I love Represent. If anybody from Represent is watching this, then represent me. I'm trying to represent you. Let's represent each other. Send me some free clothes, man. God damn. On another note, I just got these joints. Let me tell you about these joints. I love, if you couldn't tell, I love the color gray. And I got these two bright ass lights right here, so you can't really see too much. Maybe if yeah, that's a little better. These dunks, I love these dunks. This has nothing to do with anything. I just want to share that. But thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you wouldn't. Help a black man out. We all trying to get money in this pandemic, and you know, your subscription, your contributions to me, they go a long way, and they don't go unnoticed. I don't have that big of a following on YouTube yet, so if you comment, chances are I'm gonna respond to you. So comment below, leave a like, share it. Why not? I don't know what you would say. Like, hey, watch this kid talk about a shirt. I mean, some people might be into that. I love these dunks. But that's that. And for those who made it this far in the video, I'm gonna start doing fun facts. So fun fact number 1, I always clean myself before I make YouTube videos. I don't know why, because you guys obviously can't smell me, but just before this video, I took a shower, I brushed my teeth. I don't know, I just have to be clean to be in front of the camera. That's weird, but that's me. So cleanliness is next to godliness. So at least, you know, I got that going for myself, if nothing else. Subscribe.